Okay, welcome to this video. I'm very happy to be here. And here today we will see two things very different. It's not the same video like previously. It's all the thing that I want to speak about it. I will spoke also about something in Kinyarwanda, in Kirundi, what you need to know, how you need to continue to learn because it's not only to give lessons, but it's also to give more yes more thing to show you that you need to work a lot of. The first example is will be Gusubiza and Gusubiriza. Gusubiza is to give back something of someone. For example, it's like I give you, you give me something, and you said you need to give me back. And when I give back is to give back what he give you. For example, it's like to return something to reimburse something. For example, if you give me some money, after zogusubiza mahera ndakubwira zogusubiza mahera. In the end of the video, you will have also example practice with the teacher. It's very interesting to listen until the end if you want to to learn a lot of. Then Gusubiza. What I wanted to speak to, it's about igisubizo, igisubizo, igisubizo is the answer, but it's used most in Kinyarwanda. It's in Kinyarwanda. Why I want to go there? I want to show that there is logical in Kirundi and also in Kinyarwanda. But you can, if you come in the formation, you will learn all that thing. But it's very interesting to see the answer here. For example, in Kirundi, we will not say igisubizo, we will say inyishu. Inyishu. In fact, if I ask you something, you give me the answer. It's like to return. Is that why I want to see that, to show that igisubizo is something from Gusubiza is the return, and all the word is logical in Kinyarwanda and Kirundi. But that you can see on formation. And the other part, we will see it after to listen the two examples with the teacher, because it will be a little bit more difficult, but it's not so difficult. But let's listen first.
musubize amafaranga yiwe kandi usubize ibirato by'abandi ugende wambare ibirato by'iwawe. Umuntu yahora akora ngaha yarapfuye, bisaba ko mumusubiriza kugira ibikorwa vyanyu bibandanye neza yarasubirijwe n'uwundi muntu.
Okay. Now you listen the example, the two example. The first example, it was to give back money, usubiza amafaranga yiwe, usubiza ibirato by'abandi. It's like to give back, and I think it's not so difficult to give back what he give you. It's like to loan something. After Gusubiriza, in the definition, is to put someone in a place of another one was there. Okay. Then it's very important in this example to see Gusubiriza is to replace someone. It's like to take a place of someone else. In work, in every I don't know, if a player go out and the coach can say, okay, umusubirize, to say that You need to take you take the place of a player. But it's very important to know the difference, but it's come from the same. And this form is very important to know, to see the difference between. It's not to use, sometimes me, for example, I did some mistake to use a lot of times this form when I needed to use this form. Is that why you need to practice? This way of practice is very important. And if you don't practice, you will not speak. It's just that today I see one video about uh, a guy. I don't know. I think it was a girl. He said that she learned Kirundi. I will just listen a little bit part, just a little part.
jewe ikirundi sinigeze ndaciga mu ishuri nakimenye ko abagenzi n'abakozi muhira itu sino naco nigeze niga mu
Ntigeze uciga mu ishuri. Ni ukuvuga ko wava muhira uja ku ishuri ugashikira mu kindi gihugu. Ni ukuvuga uvuye muhira buzi kugiye mu kindi gihugu. Wataho kamenya ko usubiye mu Burundi. Ni watanga uzura kimenyera. Ntivyakugoye d'abord kumenya ikirundi.
Yego byarangoye nagenda kasura cyane magana nagenda amenya buke ko abagenzi barantwenga cyane avec le temps nagenda kimenya buke n'ubu onye sindakimenya cyose.
Okay, what I wanted to show you in this video, she said a lot of things. She said she didn't listen, didn't learn Kirundi. You know, it just, she learned only with youth, with guys, with friends outside. What I want to say, you are far, you don't have people to use the languages. You think that you will know Kirundi like that or Kinyarwanda, or even Giswahili. No, what I want to say is very important. She said something very important. She said, even today, there's something that is difficult. It's a difficult language. It's not thinking that I need to learn with the people who know don't do any mistake. No, even the people who speak Kirundi good, they will say, no, I don't want to speak with someone speaking bad like you. What I want to say, you need to take formation. I'm a bit strict, but it's very important if you want to go another step. Okay, we will see another video, but today we saw 2 things that you need to try to put in practice. Try it, and see you soon.